guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Ali Cake, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get this Batwing Gothic makeup for Halloween. So if you would like to see how I got this look, please keep watching. So I'm going into my Modern Renaissance palette and I'm using this red, and I'll be spreading that red all over my eyelids and my under eyes. And this is the reddest red that I could find, but if you could get something more red, you can feel free to use that.
Must this all be untrue? I just can't believe.
So now I'm going in with the liner, and I left this in real time for you guys to see. So I'm making a triangle here, and then I'm making a curve, and then I'm making another triangle. And don't worry if you guys can't get it the first time, you could always clean it up with concealer. So yeah, after another triangle I'll be going upwards, and then I'll be coming in, and you see the bat wing start to form, and then I make a little curve to the top of my eye. So after the curve I'll be bringing it downwards, and you see the bat wing kind of coming in. Yeah, I just darkening some stuff, bringing it down, so and yeah, so that's the Batwing. And now I'm just gonna be cleaning up with some concealer, because I want the lines to be a little more harsh, and we could always add back the red when it get covered up with concealer. So yeah. So I just checking it out to see if it looking good, and now I'm gonna do the other side, and I'll be speeding up this side so you will see it faster. So I'm going in with my concealer just to touch up the lines, and then I'm going in with my red and putting it back where I lost from cleaning up with the concealer. Now I'm just going to put some black eyeliner on my waterline.
This all be untrue. I just can't believe I am losing you. So cold, so alone.
And now I'll be doing my inner corner liner. now we're going in with my mascara wand and just spreading that to the bottom of my eye just to give it more of a grungy look. And I'm just adding back in some red that was lost. Now I'm going in with 2 gems and I'm putting that on my under eyes, and I'll put the link in the description box for where I got the gems. So I'm going in with my lip liner in Pass the Money from Sacha, and I'm putting that in the middle of my lips, and I'll be using my same black eyeliner on the outer just to give it a very vampy look. Okay friends, so this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.